Sprout Robot, MIT soft robot for search and rescue. Meet Sprout, the soft pathfinding robotic observation unit from MIT and the University of Notre Dame. It's a vine-like robot designed to squeeze through tight spaces in disaster zones to help emergency responders. When buildings collapse, responders often face dangerous and exhausting conditions searching for survivors. Sprout can take on some of that burden. It inflates and grows through rubble, navigating tight gaps where traditional robots struggle, all while sending back image and maps. Think of it as a high-tech vine with cameras, not exactly your average household plant. The robot is joystick operated, lightweight, and currently stretches up to 10 feet with plans to expand it up to 25. The design wasn't without challenges. Researchers had to engineer just the right air pressure and friction control to make it move more precisely. Tested with real-world rescue teams in Massachusetts, Sprout is already proven it could be a valuable tool in emergencies, and maybe one day in places like aircraft maintenance or infrastructure inspection. A flexible robot that helps save lives, that's a pretty good twist on the phrase growing into the job. And that's your robot news update for today. Don't forget to join me for my weekly live Robot Optimized workshop if you're interested in learning more about robotics and the latest trends for business. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy, and I'll see you next time.